Hello family, hello tastemakers. Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table today and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. In today's video, I'm just going to add some little decorations to my kitchen. Every year, in most seasons, I do a kitchen vignette and I just like it to add some decorations to a contained part of my kitchen so that all of the other parts of my kitchen can be functional, but I can still have some decor in there. And so this is my favorite distressed tray here. I use this most of the time because I like how it blends in to the countertops. So I always wipe everything down. I wipe down the tray. It's like I'm all in behind, all up in the video. I got to learn to turn around. I get all caught up in what I'm doing. Okay, so wipe out the tray here. I hope everyone's doing well, and thanks for supporting Vlogmas. Now here is my tiered tray. I made this 6 years ago from all Dollar Tree items. Clear plates from Dollar Tree and those candlesticks, okay? So I've been using this. I like how, how it's just neutral. Going to wipe this. And I clean it off every time I decorate with it. And I want it to shine. Been working around, just adding the last of my touches. I'm not putting up a Christmas tree. I don't like decorating Christmas trees. People know that I love to decorate, but I don't like the takedown. Really, I think I liked it more when I was single. I could take it down when I wanted to, when I have time. But then you live with someone else. Once I got married, hubby get tired of it and like I have to take it down too fast. I think maybe that's, if I could, just kind of do it at my own pace, that'll be okay. Okay, so I'll clean this up. Got it real clean. Okay. And I like my kitchen vignettes to be functional. There's a reason why I have this here. Okay, so let's start with, we'll start with the tiered tray. Just going to put this little ornament there. It has greenery, pine cones, and little cranberries, and a nice pattern. That's how I'm going to top it. I've got these little salt and pepper shakers. Little gingerbread girl and boy. That there, and then we're going to have candles. These little these are so cute to me. I still like these a lot. Got these from Dollar Tree. them down a little bit. And I put these lights in there. There. Just a little sprig of greenery. Let me bring it up. Okay, so, okay, what am I? Okay, now I like this to be my station for, you know, if we're entertaining guests and you want them to have a quick station, like they need an extra fork or knife or something. I put this there. I put forks here, coffee stir, some extra tea. I put that in there. And then you need extra cups. Now this is the more functional side of my vignette. This is the more decorative side. Okay. Put cups right there. Then I got these last year from these Christmas party napkins from Hobby Lobby when they had their clearance. So these are like 60 cents. I got a whole bunch of these. Open one up, see. Okay, that goes there. Easily get a napkin. Okay, let's see how this looks. How do they make these? Okay, that's cute. You know what? You can use this as a little placemat. Okay, so that's how these napkins are made. All right, so we got that. Then I have some paper plates. I also got those from Hobby Lobby last year on clearance. These were $5.99. They were $6. So I got them for 60 cents. Also got the plates, the napkins for 60 cents. And I'm just cutting them open. I work out in the garden so much I don't have nails. I don't grow my nails out, so hard for me to like open up stuff with my own hands. Okay, so here are these cute little paper plates. And that's just for your guests if they want to, you know, grab a piece of cake or pie, and it's just easily accessible. And you don't have to, you know, go all into the cabinets and cupboards. Things over there. And then we gotta always need like a floral or something. This is a really old, let's see, where did I get this from? Burlington. It was $4.99. And does it even? Just a minute, guys. Okay, I didn't see a date on it, but I wanted to just show you how, you know, you save so much money by taking care of your things. I've had this for years. And it's just for things like this, just adding, you know, touches. You can use this for Valentine's Day. If I do another kitchen vignette, I have some red roses right there. Okay, so we have that. Or I can do it like this. I think I might do this. Everything doesn't have to be all contained in the tray. So I'll just do that. Is that everything? Yes, so I'm just going to, in this, is it napkin holder? I'll put the plates there, and then there's still some more napkins here. Got these from Dollar Tree. So we can have a cute little kitchen vignette. Let's do it like that. And one more on my oven door. I have this. This says Merry Christmas. It's just a little napkin. And I'm going to place that. I'll place that there. That's it. So that's a very functional and beautiful kitchen vignette. Okay, family, so this is the final look of my kitchen vignette here. It has all the elements that I like. We have candles here. We have a decor piece. We have a salt and pepper shaker. Here I have gingerbread, these gingerbread girl and boy, toothpicks, a floral arrangement. And then we have functional items. We have where our guests can just easily grab a cup, a stir. They can get more forks and knives, napkins here, and a paper plate. And we have more napkins here. And that's perfectly my way of decorating my kitchen for Christmas. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me this year and coming through to see what's going on around Tanya's Tasteful Table during Vlogmas 2025. I appreciate it. And if you're new, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. And at the end of this video, you'll see my face pop up. You can click on my face and then you can subscribe, all right? So if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.